On. In this video, we'll discuss how we can import CSV files or import bulk products that are above 15 megabytes. Of course, we know that in Shopify you can't import CSV files that are more than 15 megabytes using the default import method for Shopify. For this problem, we have three approaches. The first approach is that we can use the Shopify API in order for us to update our products. So, for example, this code increases our prices by 10%, but it has some flaws that for the Shopify API, if you run this code on your local machine, like I am doing here now, if the internet connection is lost or your computer suddenly shuts down or anything happens, you don't really know when's the last time you changed the products or where was the last change that have been made. So this will mess up your products, and you won't have an option to even revert back because you actually don't know where this happened. So you don't want to run this on your local machine. A better solution will be if you have a server or some kind of an instance that you can run your code on, like a server instead of your local machine. But it is not the optimal solution. We have another paid solution, which is Matrixify. Matrixify lets you upload the CSV files that are more than 15 megabytes. But of course, you will have to pay, because if you are on the free version, like here, it will only import 10 products. You will have to be in this plan in order to upload uh, products more than 15 megabytes, which is not the goal of the video. We want to do it for free. So we have a much better solution, is to export our products, then do our calculations on the CSV file. For example, we here increase the prices by 10%. We will still have the problem of the file being more than 15 megabytes, but using this code, it will split the code uh, into multiple chunks. So in every chunk, we will have around 3,000 rows. Of course, this is not a normal split, because you can't normally split the CSV files, because products in Shopify have variance. So if you just split blindly, you will lose variance in the way. So for example, if you split on 100, you will lose one variant here, which also will mess up your CSV, and Shopify will refuse to import it into your Shopify store. So what this split does is a little bit smart idea, that we can group the products by handle. So every product that have variants, we can get its handle and group the variants by their handle. You can also change the chunk size here. 3,000 is around 10 megabytes of data, so it depends on the data size, but it is in this range. What it does is it loops through every chunk. So every series 3,000 items, it extracts the variance from the grouped handles and imports it back into a chunked data frame. So for example here, I have this file which is around 17 megabytes. It's split it into two files, 9 megabytes and 7 megabytes, and of course it will receive the variance, and we don't lose it in the way. So this is the best way I have found until now for uploading large files on Shopify for free.